As a teenage guy, I bet you're looking to level up your style game and boost your confidence. This is how you can easily transform and improve your appearance and feel great about yourself. 1. The first step in any glow-up journey is taking care of your skin. This means developing a skincare routine that works for you. Here's what I did every morning. I kept it simple, just washed my face with a cleanser, moisturized my face and then added sunscreen. That's it. Here's what I did in the evening. You will do the same as you did in the morning, but don't add sunscreen this time. Instead, add retinol. Retinol helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles, improving skin texture, unclogging pores, reducing acne and fading dark spots. This is like the magical ingredient for having clear skin. 2. Hygiene. Start showering regularly. Use deodorant on your armpit and balls. Use a cologne that you like, not someone else's recommendation, and try to always smell good, even if you're just going out for 5 minutes, and remove the belief that no one is going to look at me. They're minding their own business. People are so polite and respectful if someone smells bad, they will not tell them. So keep a good hygiene, it will boost your confidence. 3. Experiment with different hairstyles. Whether you're into a short, long, curly or straight hair, there are countless styles to choose from. But how can I know what haircut suits me? I determine my face shape and then go to Google and search which haircut suits your face shape. You also need to have a hair routine you can do every day. Here's my simple hair routine. I keep my hair well groomed by getting haircuts every week, washing my hair only once a week, conditioning my hair every day with conditioner to keep my hair looking good and healthy. 4. Having yellow teeth and bad breath is a red flag for people. That's why you need to brush your teeth and floss them twice a day. Try to also buy a tongue scraper to clean the white dirt in the back of your tongue. If your lips get dry, try to have a fluoride-free toothpaste. It is much more healthier for you. 5. Another key aspect of glowing up is getting in shape. Regular exercise not only helps you look better, but it also boosts your confidence and makes you feel great. Find a workout routine that you enjoy, whether it's weightlifting, running, or yoga, and stick to it. And don't forget to eat a healthy, balanced diet that supports your fitness goals. 6. Sleeping. You can ignore what I said for the whole video and start getting a good night's sleep. My mother was right when she told me that sleep is the most important thing to do. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This can help you reduce dark circles and improve your overall mood and energy levels. Lack of sleep will make you less happier and give you a nasty headache all day. And also, your glow up is made while you're sleeping. Keep that in mind. Remember, everyone's journey is different, so don't compare yourself to others or feel like you need to change who you are to fit into a certain mold. Embrace your unique qualities and work on becoming the best version of yourself. Click subscribe and hit the like button. It's a win-win for both of us. Peace out.